Around 4.7 million years ago, Earth looked completely different. Thick forests stretched for miles and giant grasslands rolled beneath wide blue skies. Rivers ran wild and volcanoes sometimes shook the ground. Enormous creatures roamed freely, elephants with downward curving tusks, saber-toothed cats and herds of giant antelope. Among them lived small groups of early humans. They were not like us yet. Their bodies were covered with hair to keep them warm, their arms long and strong for climbing, and their faces rough from wind and dust. But something inside them had begun to change. They had curious eyes and restless minds that were starting to think beyond instinct. They walked upright, standing on 2 legs instead of 4. This simple act opened a new world. They could see farther across the plains, reach for fruits hanging on trees, and carry food or young ones in their arms. Walking upright was the first great step that separated them from every other creature around them. The land was full of beauty, but it was also full of danger. At night, when darkness swallowed the plains, the roars of predators echoed across the valleys. Hyenas, giant cats, and crocodiles hunted anything that moved. Early humans had no weapons, no houses, and no fire. When darkness fell, they huddled together for safety. Their only defense was each other. During daylight, they searched for food. They learned where to find sweet fruits, how to dig roots, and which plants were safe to eat. Sometimes they followed vultures, knowing that the birds would lead them to animal remains left by lions. They used stones to crack open bones and eat the rich marrow inside. Food was never guaranteed. There were days of plenty.